¿Qué lo que mi gente? Bienvenido to another video. Today's adventure is going to be all about exploring Joshua Tree National Park.
Ooh. My girl, my dog. Ooh. Oh, foot on rock.
Starting off today's adventure on the Rhine Mountain Trail. So this is one of the longer trails that we saw. It's gonna be, it says 1.5 miles. So it's gonna be a good start to the day, and evidently there's a good amount of elevation as well, and you get to an awesome vista of the entire park. So let's get the journey started. One good thing about having people in front of you is you can see where the trail goes. So you can see it still goes up all the way over there. This is fun. This is really fun. What do you think, Jazz? Yeah, it's really windy. Now we're getting to the cool.
My dog girl, my dog. Woo. Oh, foot on rock. It's a video, so.
We've reached the summit, babe.
Yay!
That hike was way easier than I thought it would be, than advertised. But in a good way. It was a nice, easy hike, and you get this stunning view. Wow. Wow. Okay, let me give you a little tour of the top of Rhine Mountain. If you look over here, you got views. If you look over here, you got some more pretty views with more mountains over there. If you look over there, you still got some more pretty views. And over here, still the same. This is cool because you're at the top and then everywhere you look is stunning views. I wonder how much of this is Joshua Tree. Everything? It's like 750,000 acres or something. This climb is worth it. This climb is worth it. All right, let's make our way down and then on to the next stop. Okay, done with Rhine Mountain. That was an absolute blast. It was not that hard going up, but it was a good amount of elevation gain. And then the way down, however, the views on the way down were much better because you got to see some of the cool rocks and then also see far out the entire way down. And it was a bit more technical, so a bit more fun, not just straight up climbing. So the way down was awesome, but it killed my calves and my quads. Like, I'm trembling just standing there. But regardless, Rhine Mountain is a must-do if you're coming here to Joshua Tree. Our next stop now is Barker Dam, so significantly more popular, a lot easier as well. I think it's only like 0.15 miles and very flat. But there's a cool little dam that supposedly in the spring, if it's not a super dry year, has some water. So let's go check that out. Small change of plans for the positive. We got the family here now. And Wall Street Mill and Barker Dam share a parking lot, so we're gonna do Wall Street Mill first, since it's super short, along with Barker Dam, and just do them both. Just more time out here. That last hike I thought would take significantly longer. It only took like an hour and a half. So what I had saved for 4 hours, it took an hour and a half, that Rhine Mountain. So now we'll get to explore some more different spots.
Ooh.
Okay, a little bit into the Barker Dam Trail, and it's significantly cooler than that Wall Street Mill Trail. I can see why this is the most popular trail, or one of the most popular trails in the park. All right, saw this. There's people up there, and it doesn't say anything about not climbing on the rocks. So we're getting up there. All right, I've had my fun. I didn't get to see Barker Dam, but looking down from up here, everything looks a little dry. So maybe I missed out on that, but I'm gonna partner up with these guys to see if I can figure out how to get down from here safely now. This was a little sketchy on the way up, I'm not gonna lie. I wouldn't suggest it for everyone. Just putting that out there, it was sketchy coming up. There were definitely some parts where I thought, all right, if I mess up here, this could be bad. But just confidence in yourself, right? That's it. All right, let me get down. I don't want them waiting for me too long. All right, 10 out of 10, do not do this. This was a very stupid idea for me to come up here and try to climb on that rock, because the way up was difficult, sketchy definitely, but possible. Now the way down, there was like a sheer rock face. I just bouldered my way down without any rope, without crash pads or anything. This was just a very dumb idea. Do not do this. Just stick on the Barker Dam Trail, because now I didn't even get to see the dam and just stress myself out in like a controlled way. I don't know. If something went wrong, if a hold slipped, I could have seriously gotten messed up. But I am basically down. I would not recommend doing that. That's simple as that. Let me meet back up with my family. Petroglyphs.
It is a petroglyph, but they painted over the same.
Alright, little warning. There's a sign that says Echo T parking. And we went that way, but we didn't park in Echo T. So that cool rock with the petroglyphs, that is the breakup point. You see a little sign over there? So I think we have to go that way to get back to our parking. So if you park in the Barker Dam parking lot, heads up that the trail, as it comes back around, does tee off to another parking spot. Which also means you could park in Echo T if Barker Dam is full, because it definitely was full. Barker Dam is officially over. I can see why that is one of the most popular trails in this park, because it was awesome. It was easily accessible and the scenery was beautiful. So if you get the chance, make sure to do that one. Now I think we're starting to wind down. I think we're almost done. But there's a couple more things that may not involve hiking, like the Troya Cactus Garden and some of the rocks. Maybe we have some in us for one more hike. We'll see as we get closer. Can't promise you'll see this on your trip to Joshua Tree, but we're getting our hopes up. The Oscar Mayer car with hot dogs. So if that's real, I want one. So let's try and get one. Wait, there's a lady. This has to be real. All right, let's hope, let's hope. Are you guys in line for a hot dog or something? Do you know if they're
No, they're not selling.
Oh no! They're just hanging out?
Yeah.
Dang it. I got all excited. I thought that was gonna be hot dogs. Well, that's a bummer. They're not selling. I think I had the cash and everything ready to go. Oscar Mayer, you fooled me and you lost the customer. Okay, impressions of Joshua Tree so far. It's a really cool place. I think one day is more than enough to experience everything you want to experience. We're already kind of have seen everything, and the landscape is beautiful, but after a couple hikes, it kind of is the same. So I don't know if I'd want to spend a couple days here, but coming for the one day is well worth it. Well worth it. And my feet are tired already at this point from the hiking, so you can get a good workout here doing this. So overall, Joshua Tree, big thumbs up. We have arrived at our last stop for the day. Now, it's not going to be as strenuous physically, but it is still going to be as visually stunning. Cholla Gardens. So it's just a bunch of these cool little cacti, and they're all together. Evidently, they stick to your skin super easily and your clothes, so do not get close. But we're going to go ahead and enjoy the view. Do not touch. There you go, with the sun setting, after the Cholla Gardens, after Ryan Mountain, after Barker Dam, after Wall Street Mill, after all of those, and just staring as you're driving, we are officially done with Joshua Tree. I'm very happy with everything that we did. I feel like we got a good mix of seeing everything. I've learned like what different things are in the park and what I would like to see, what I'm interested in, and we got to see it all. So if you're coming to Joshua Tree and you only have one day, rest assured that it is definitely doable for you to have an amazing experience. I would personally suggest you come in from the north, because that's where everything is. Like, we're driving through the southeast part of it because we live closer to the south, and it's just desert. Like, there's not much here. There's not much here after the Cholla Gardens that we've seen so far. We haven't finished all the way to the end, but I would suggest doing everything up there, because all the stuff on the map that they give you when you enter the park is all up in the northwest part of Joshua Tree. Let me know down in the comments below what's been your favorite national park that you've ever visited. All right, I'll see you in the next one.